Okay, so I learned the alphabet in Spanish, so I'm gonna try to do it. So yeah, listen to my epic fail. Okay, here we go. A, B, C, G, D, E, F, A, H, I, J, E, J, K, L, A, A, M, A, N, A, N, O, P, Q, R, A, S, A, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, that would feel very fail. So, yeah, sorry. Hasta luego.